friends, and welcome back. I'm George Pierce. This video is about making money online as an affiliate marketer without a website, without a list, without any money. This is something that you can do from home. You can do this from anywhere in the world. You can do it on your own time. And you'll be pleased to know that it has the financial potential of helping you to be able to fire your boss. I'm going to be sharing a little hack, a little trick that's going to allow you to be able to tap into a professionally written, well-written, and high-converting landing page without writing a single word and without even needing a web page of your own. This is totally legit and perfect for beginners, and be sure to stay for my bonus, which will help you to maximize your income. Got a lot to cover, so let's get started. Your first step is going to be to join a network, an affiliate network called Clickbank. It's clickbank.com. It is totally free to join. Once you join, click on Marketplace and type in smoothie in the search box and then sort by gravity. At the time of video, the smoothie diet, the 21-day rapid weight loss program, is at the top of the list. Now, this product is actually already a proven winner, and it's in relaunch for 2021, and it's already got a gravity of over 100, and gravity is a lot like popularity, but in the last 90 days. So what gravity is telling us, this product is selling, and it's selling well, and it's selling right now. Next thing I want you to do is to click on affiliate page. Now click on Get Your Affiliate Tools here. And then scroll down to pre-sell articles. When you check out these articles, what you're going to discover is that they are excellent, well-written, pre-written articles that you can use and you don't have to create. So they not only act as an excellent landing page, a free, well-written, ready-made, ready-to-go landing page that you can use right now. They're also an excellent sales funnel, and the reason why they're a sales funnel is that the only exit, there are exits, but they are to other pages that that ultimately send your viewer to the sales page where they can purchase the product. And of course, when a sale is made, you get paid. You'll also have the option of sending your viewer, of course, directly to the sales page as well. And just for your information, as far as the link goes, where it says your ID, that is your Clickbank ID. When you join Clickbank, you're going to have to set up a Clickbank ID. So that's what you're going to put in there. That's your Clickbank ID. Where it says TI, that is your tracking ID. So you can use that if you want. And typically that would be where your viewer would be coming from. So if you're sending them from TikTok, which we're going to talk about in a little bit, or YouTube, which we're going to be talking about in a little bit, then you might put TT or YT or whatever as your tracking ID. So you know, no website, no problem, but we still need to send visitors to these pages. We still need to drive traffic, and that's actually what an affiliate marketer does. That's your main job, and that's the beauty about being an affiliate marketer, is that your main job is to drive traffic. As you can see, our affiliate is going to handle the sales, it's going to handle the selling, it's going to handle the product, it's going to handle delivery, it's going to handle customer service, and so forth. Now, there's probably hundreds of ways to drive traffic, and I'm sure you're wondering, well, which ways are we going to use? Well, you already have a good strong hint, and that is that I'm going to show you how to use TikTok and YouTube. I'm going to show you how to create a video without even getting in front of a camera, and we can create a short video under 1 minute. It needs to be under 1 minute for TikTok, and if it's under 1 minute for YouTube, it's going to qualify as a YouTube short, and YouTube shorts actually very popular right now, so that's going to give you an edge on YouTube for even more traffic. You're going to need a video editor. You can get a free, 100% free video editor from Shotcut, SHOTCUT, or OpenShot, OPENSHOT. They're both free and they're excellent. And the pre-sale page that I've chosen is inflammation, and you could use any one of these of the 4 pre-sale pages as well as the landing page, of course. So you've got from this affiliate input already, from just this one affiliate, you've got 5 pages that you can send people to, and you can make 5 or 10 or more videos per page. Well, let me share with you real quickly how easy it is to make this video, and stick with me on this, because when you see this, when you see how easy this is and how quick and simple, the first time through it might take you a little bit of time. The second time through it's going to go real fast and real easy, and after that it's going to be like clockwork. You can bang out these videos in just a few minutes and drive traffic to your affiliate. And this process, of course, is going to work with any affiliate. I'm going to take you to a site called Mixkit. It's Mixkit.co, M-I-X-K-I-T. And it is it's a website that I haven't talked too much about. I also like Pixabay. I also like Pexels. You've probably heard me talk about those. You haven't heard me talk about Mixkit too often. I like Mixkit as well. You can get free stock footage, and as long as you stick with the free stock footage, these are videos that you can use in your YouTube videos. You can pretty much use them as you want. You can use them for marketing ads, educational purposes, music videos, filmmaking, and so forth. One of the things that you need to know about Mixkit, however, is to check the license, because not every video is free to use. So I'm looking for happy videos. I'm just going to type in happy and I'm picking a couple of these videos. I'm going to download them. The one with the girl walking, the pillow fight. I'm going to download those videos. Inflammation is kind of a negative, so we're going to offset it a little bit with happy video. We want to import it on our video editor. Now, something that I do is you have an intro, and George Pierce Presents. I would suggest that you consider an intro even on TikTok, because you want to brand yourself, and people see George Pierce, or people see your company name or your name. I would make the intro anywhere from 3 to 5 seconds long. I cut it from 5 to about 3 just for the sake of space on this particular video. As far as video length, I usually shoot for 57, 56, 58 or shorter. So I'm going to add my intro. I'm going to add the girl walking with the dog, and I'm going to add the pillow fight. I'm going to use the pillow fight for my call to action. So I want a call to action that is probably 5 to 10 seconds long. So I'm going to do 2 pillow fights, and then the rest is going to be the girl walking. And our call to action is our most important part of our video, next to our hook. I'm going to talk about hook in just a moment, but our call to action is very important. So what we want to do there is we want to create our call to action, and our call to action is telling people to take action. The first thing we need to do is the link. So copy the link, change the ID to your ID, and the tracking ID. Once you do that, go to a site called Cutly, C-U-T-T.ly, and Cutly is a link shortener. I would recommend that you join Cutly. It's free to join. There's also a paid version, but there's a free version. The idea is that when you join, that all these links will be available, so you can see which links are working. So Cutly is going to help you to track your link and create a link. And the way you do that is to simply shorten the link, and then once it's shortened, you're going to create an alias. And the alias that I'm using is Fix the Cause. So that'll be my alias. For my call to action, I'm going to have find out how, do it now, and the link. Find out how, do it now, and the link. The last 5 to 10 seconds of my video is going to be my call to action. Okay, so now that we've done the call to action, next thing we need to do is our hook. Our hook is what's going to grab our viewer. We want to grab our viewer, because if we don't grab their attention, they're not going to stay. So that's also a very important part of the video. And what happens is that inflammation, any kind of inflammation, even low inflammation, can cause what's called insulin resistance. And what that does is there's 2 problems that creates, and that number one is that the pancreas has to work harder because it has to produce more insulin. because your body is becoming insulin resistant, and that is actually your first step towards being pre-diabetic. In addition, the body is now going to start storing fat. So as far as weight loss goes, that's the worst thing that you want, is inflammation, because your body is fighting you by storing fat. If you can reduce or remove the inflammation, then it's much easier for you to lose weight because your body is no longer fighting your weight loss. So this is the story that we want to tell, and this is very valid information, by the way. I'm going to include 4 links below. That inflammation really is a deterrent for weight loss. It causes weight gain. So next thing we want to do is to grab our viewers' attention. As far as a hook, we want to let them know that there is a reason why they're not losing weight. There's a hidden reason, a secret reason why they're not losing weight. There's actually a reason why they're not losing weight. So that is going to be our hook. And then we want to explain, of course, that the reason is inflammation. Inflammation can causes our body to store fat. That's why it's nearly impossible for some people to lose weight. And then let them know that there is a fix. There's an easy fix, a quick fix that will help them to reduce and remove the inflammation. And of course that will restore their body back to normal so that they'll be able to lose weight. You'll find a link below to this particular video so that you can see the whole video in its entirety. And if you want to make something very similar to it, you're welcome. Do not duplicate it, because YouTube will see that it's duplicate content and they will not give you any traffic. So don't duplicate it for your own benefit. You mix it up a little bit, and preferably use some different video and mix the text up a little bit, and you'll be fine. So once you're happy with your video, simply upload it to TikTok and upload it to YouTube, and repeat the process. And repeat the process, and repeat the process, and repeat the process. You'll not only get better and better at the process, you will be making money in the meantime. Now, we're not quite done yet, because not having a website and not building a list is not necessarily in your best interest. A lot of affiliate marketers are simply trying to fatten their pocketbooks. They're trying to help themselves make money instead of you make money. And the easier that they make affiliate marketing look, the more likely you are to spend money on whatever they're selling. That is not in your best interest, of course, to not have a website and not build a list. The most important thing you really should be doing, even more than sales, is building a list. On the other hand, I did not build a list for at least my first year. Somewhere probably a year and a half before I actually built my list. So I am guilty of not having a list, and I had all kinds of wonderful excuses and reasons why I didn't have time, and I didn't know what to do, and I didn't have an autoresponder, and it was going to lose me money. That was one of my excuses. It was going to lose me money. Well, let me share a little trick with you that I used initially. When I initially was building lists, I had a kind of a either-or landing page. They could either opt for my free giveaway or not. I had a continue button as well. If they didn't want to part with their email address, I still wouldn't lose that sale. They could hit the continue button and go to the affiliate. If you need an autoresponder, you're going to find a link below to my ultimate list, and that will give you information actually as far as websites that you can use. GrooveFunnels, for example, is totally free, stays free for life. Aweber is a free, absolutely fantastic free autoresponder that you can use. That's good to your first 500 subscribers. All that will be in my ultimate list, and a whole lot more to help you get started. And if you want to take this process to the next level, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe, because I'm working on a video right now about keto, and that's going to be a little bit similar to this, but we're going to get into a lot more detail, because we're going to actually create a keto website, like a keto center, where you're going to be able to use strategies such as comparison You'll be able to compare this keto diet to that keto diet to that keto diet, which you can also do with smoothies. There's plenty of smoothie products out there. You can do the same thing, but this is an upcoming video that you may not want to miss. So if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell so you don't miss these videos. In addition, this week's giveaway, and I usually publish that on Saturday, and one is about achieving happiness and the other is healthy food for life, and these are excellent giveaways in the health niche. They really do very well in the health niche to help you to build that list, to make it easier for you to build that list. My giveaways are free. I hope you found value in this video. If you like this video, if you found some value in the video, just give it a big old thumbs up. Do that right now. Hit that like button, and again, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and ring the bell so you're not going to miss any of these videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.